Hello and welcome to the Easy Shipping Poshmark video. First rule, do not exceed 5 pounds. Second rule, pack everything nice and neat. The third rule is ship within 2 or 3 days from purchase. This is what you will need. If you want to go a little bit fancy, I paid a little bit on the cellophane resealable bags and thank you stickers. If you have a small item, I would suggest the bubble mailers that you can find on USPS.com and boxes in different sizes. For the shipping supplies, size-wise, you have a lot of options. I have a few examples here. If you sell jewelry and small items, you have this kind of box. It says priority mail. And then the most used in my business are the poly mailers. This is kind of soft and fits a top or some small items, but this is what I use the most. This is a Tyvek Priority Mail envelope. This is actually a little bigger than the bubble mailer and fits a lot more, like a jacket or fuzzy pullover, soft materials, and this is very tough. You cannot break this, you cannot rip this. I tried before making this video, I didn't succeed. So it might look flimsy, but it's really tough. And then we have the priority mailbox. The medium flat rate box is also very popular size, and this fits a nice pair of shoes. You can use a shoe box, but I mainly use this for shoes. One rate, any weight. But like I said, 5 pounds is the maximum weight Poshmark allows a package to be. So all these you can find for free on the USPS.com. I would put the info right here. You just have to go to free shipping supplies. You will also need Scotch tape. I had my first live show this morning and I happened to sell a large bundle, so I'm gonna show you how I pack and ship it. For this, I'm gonna use a large flat rate box. And as you see, everything is neatly packed in cellophane bags to protect them from any damage. Where you send the box, it might be raining, so it's better to have it protected. A short thank you note is nice, but not mandatory. Now that you have everything ready, all you have to do is close up the package and print your prepaid shipping label. On the Poshmark app, on your main panel, go to My Sales, click on the sale you want to print, go down to Download Shipping Label, click on it, and assuming you have a printer in your home, just download the shipping label. Go down on the bottom to that little arrow and hit print. And a disclaimer, everything I do and everything I show you, it's done on an iPhone. Everything might be a little bit different on a different type of phone, like a Samsung, let's say, or on a desktop. Once you have shipped the package, you can return here and mark as shipped, and your buyer will be notified by Poshmark that the package was shipped. Now on the previous page, just under mark as shipped button, you will notice need shipping label. If your package is heavier than 5 pounds, then you can request a heavier weight label, but keep in mind the additional charge will come from your pocket. Also, make sure you have the correct return address just in case something happens. The next troubleshoot is problems order inquiries. Sometimes customers purchase by mistake or they want to cancel the order, so this is where you go to cancel an order. Here is also where you can contact Poshmark support Check the tracking of your package and view conversation with the buyer. Sometimes it happens that the shipping is not tracking and the buyer is contacting you asking about the package. This is where you go, shipped but not tracking. You can also generate a QR code and have the teller print the label for you. So now we have our shipping label. Again, this is part of the free shipping supplies that you can find at USPS. You can just peel this off and it's going to stick to the box. And I will put my shipping label right into that. The advantage of that is that you don't have to use Scotch tape. Plus, if it's raining, your label is protected. Peel it off and stick the label right here. Fortunately, this does not exceed 5 pounds, which is the first rule. Like I said, all you have to do right now is go to the post office and drop it off. You do not need to stand in line because this is prepaid. But if you have a more consistent piece, if it's over $100, let's say, you will need proof that you actually shipped it. So stand in line, get a receipt from the teller. The receipt will give you the weight, the time, the date when you shipped it, so you're all covered. When you're done shipping the item, just go back to your sales, click on the sale and mark as shipped. Depending on how far the customer is, when they receive the package, they will open it, analyze, make sure everything is okay, everything is disclosed, and their piece is fine. They will accept the piece, eventually rate you if they're happy, and at that point, when they accept the piece, Poshmark will release your funds and you can transfer it in your bank account. I hope this was helpful and simple enough explained. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Shoot me an email here on the screen. Sorry for the vertical format of the video. I wasn't expecting it to be over 1 minute, but hey, you know, there is a lot. Shipping is rather complex to explain, but easier to do. It only takes 2 minutes really. But like I said, if you need help, please contact me and I will respond gladly to any of your questions that you might have about shipping. Please like and follow if you find some value in my tutorials, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!